What is the period before the invention of writing systems called? A. Modern history. B. Prehistory. C. History. D. Ancient history. The correct answer is B. Prehistory. Which concept relates to the power of emitted light per unit solid angle? A. Luminous intensity. B. Radiant flux. C. Solid angle. D. Plane angle. The correct answer is A. Luminous intensity. Which of the following is an example of an organ in a plant? A. A root or a leaf. B. An entire plant organism. C. Meristematic tissue. D. A specialized cell. The correct answer is A. A root or a leaf. What charge does a glass rod acquire when rubbed with silk? A. A positive charge. B. A varying charge. C. A neutral charge. D. A negative charge. The correct answer is A. A positive charge. Who built the famous Nalanda University? A. Chandragupta II. B. Skandagupta. C. Kumargupta I. D. Samudragupta. The correct answer is C. Kumargupta I. What does the long perpendicular line in the electrical symbol of a cell represent? A. Positive terminal. B. Ground terminal. C. Neutral terminal. D. Negative terminal. The correct answer is A. Positive terminal. What causes Mars to appear red? A. Presence of water ice. B. Presence of methane. C. Thin atmosphere. D. Presence of iron oxide. The correct answer is D. Presence of iron oxide. What is the primary reason skilled people move to developed countries, leading to brain drain? A. Family reunification. B. Better opportunities. C. Climate change. D. Cultural exchange. The correct answer is B. Better opportunities. What happens after the sound wave strikes the eardrum? A. The semicircular canals perceive the sound. B. Signals are sent directly to the brain. C. The cochlea converts vibrations into sound. D. The ossicles move inward and outward. The correct answer is D. The ossicles move inward and outward. What was the name of the magazine launched by the Dravida Kazhagam in 1885? A. Nilgiri's Voice. B. Dravida Pandyan. C. Thiruvarutpa. D. Mahajana Times. The correct answer is B. Dravida Pandyan. What was the national consensus in favor of regarding economic development? A. Exclusive focus on agriculture. B. Rapid industrialization of the economy. C. Reliance on foreign aid. D. Slow and gradual growth. The correct answer is B. Rapid industrialization of the economy. What is the condition called when the thyroid gland fails to secrete the normal level of hormones? A. Thyroid dysfunction. B. Pancreatic dysfunction. C. Parathyroid dysfunction. D. Adrenal dysfunction. The correct answer is A. Thyroid dysfunction. Which river is a perennial source from the Himalayas? A. Mahanadi. B. Godavari. C. Krishna. D. Indus. The correct answer is D. Indus. What is the plody of the zygote which develops into the sporophytic generation? A. N plus N. B. 2N. C. N. D. 3N. The correct answer is B. 2N. Besides increasing prices, what has shown constant growth in the Indian economy? A. Essential goods production. B. Rural population. C. Demand for goods. D. GDP and growth opportunities. The correct answer is D. GDP and growth opportunities. What is the approximate length of India's coastline, excluding islands? A. 6,100 kilometers. B. 8,400 kilometers. C. 5,500 kilometers. D. 7,516.6 kilometers. The correct answer is A. 6,100 kilometers. Which period saw industrialization discussed in relation to cotton cultivation? A. Post-colonial period. B. Modern period. C. Pre-industrial period. D. Colonial period. The correct answer is D. Colonial period. In the context of electrochemistry, what is an electrolyte decomposed into during electrolysis? A. Constituent elements. B. Gaseous mixtures. C. Metallic alloys. D. Simpler compounds. The correct answer is A. Constituent elements. What is the shape of collenchyma cells typically described as? A. Spherical. B. Isodiametric. C. Elongated. D. Cuboidal. The correct answer is C. Elongated. Which form of government does India practice? A. Unitary. B. Presidential. C. Federal. D. Parliamentary. The correct answer is D. Parliamentary. What causes bodies to resist a change in their state of rest? A. Gravity. B. Inertia of rest. C. Inertia of motion. D. External force. The correct answer is B. Inertia of rest. How is the electric current represented? A. I. B. V. C. P. D. R. The correct answer is A. I. Where was the indigo processed into dye? A. At the planters' factories. B. In local markets. C. In European factories. D. At the peasants' homes. The correct answer is A. At the planters' factories. The Pugalur inscription is located near which place? A. Karur. B. Madurai. C. Kalinga. D. Jaffna. The correct answer is A. Karur. What property of diamond is attributed to its three-dimensional structure? A. Hardness and rigidity. B. Luster. C. Solubility. D. Conductivity. The correct answer is A. Hardness and rigidity. What is one of the fundamental roles of the skeleton in a human? A. To facilitate oxygen transport. B. To generate electrical impulses. C. To synthesize proteins. D. To provide a framework for the body. The correct answer is D. To provide a framework for the body. What process is mentioned for removing hardness from water? A. Boiling. B. Distillation. C. Filtration. D. Freezing. The correct answer is A. Boiling. Which of the following organisms is composed of tissues, organs, and organ systems? A. Human being. B. Amoeba. C. Euglena. D. Paramecium. The correct answer is A. Human being. In which year was Guindi National Park established? A. 1989. Born in 1990. Circa 1976. D. 1980. The correct answer is circa 1976. Plateaus are generally rich in what type of natural resource? A. Water. B. Minerals. C. Animal life. D. Vegetation. The correct answer is B. Minerals. How did you score?